Oh, good color.
I have colors. I got them with you. I like white, green, and blue. I like dark blue and blue. White,
Hey,
blue.
wait. You mixed up the colors.
Okay, paint.
Yeah, because I like to.
Okay, paint in there.
Oh,
Paint in there.
Plus.
There you go, buddy.
Oh, no plus.
They don't have another brush, buddy. You only have 3 paints. You only need 3 brushes.
Okay. I'm going to paint this one.
Okay, paint in there.
Okay, kid. Every water.
Hey, Mama, you color on those?
On the sides, yeah.
It's okay.
You can color in this side too, buddy.
It's okay. I color on this.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. I color. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I color. I'm so happy. I'm coloring on my part.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so happy. I'm not coloring on Cassie's part.
Mm-hmm.
Are
Are you painting?
Red. I'm on was.
Oh, yeah. Okay, here, let's scoot it over a little bit so Noxie can reach better. Okay. No, don't fling it. Just paint, buddy. You want to come closer?
Whoa.
Paint. Don't fling it, just paint.
Oh, man. I want all my red.
Well, buddy, we can get more, buddy, okay?
Okay, well,
I
here's
don't
my
wanna
red color in here. Get more reds.
No, I'm
No
getting more.
Excuse her, bum.
Ooh, I got this.
No, don't paint on the wall. What did I say, buddy? I said don't paint on the wall.
It's on me.
It's not you?
It's on me.
It's on you? Well, you know what? You got paint all over me too, so it's okay. Just stop touching the wall.
Uh-oh, I almost went on my red.
Oh,
What's wrong?
there.
I know, Mama's got paint all over her. We're gonna go take a bath when we're done.
You too?
No, later. I'm gonna take a bath before bed.
You too.
Oh,
Baby
man.
rock.
Oh,
you.
Brother, you're doing so good.
Yes.
Did you see his side?
I will color this.
You okay?
I can color. I can color my hair.
Sure, buddy.
The same?
Sure.
Who's my pink? I'm not gonna. Woohoo! We can draw. Oh yeah, right here. With
I
paint.
know, it's okay. You got paint on me too.
Let's get all paint. I'm mixing all paint because I like to. Hey, I got blue on there. I don't like it blue on there. I like it green on there. No blue's covered up. No one will wipe green on here. Tatsu, tatsu, tatsu. Don't color on my area. Color on your area. I'm gonna be you. Stoke. No, it's painted on Cassie. No. No paint on baby.
You know what? It's okay. That down there is just gonna get covered with bird food. So it's okay. Okay, let's try not to color on people, okay?
Cassie color on me and that's not fine.
Calm down there, buddy.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
No. This. I was wanting.
Stop flinging your brush, baby.
Wow.
Because-
Which color was yours? I can't see back of it.
Okay, you know what? The back is not gonna be seen, buddy. The back's just gonna go up against the wall. So you don't have to paint the back, but you can if you want to.
Uh-oh. Yes. Hey, no. We've got color. Ha. 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 Ha.
Okay, paint your side.
Ha. Ha.
No, stop.
Right. What? I missed some of your color. It's your slide.
Cassie, let's leave our colors to ourselves, okay, buddy?
Huh?
Let's not use brother's colors, okay?
Because he's not nice.
Well, he is nice, but he just wants to use his own colors, okay?
Oh, come on. Yo.
No, stop flinging your brush. Paint your bird feeder.
This color.
I mean, you can if you want to, but the back's not going to get seen because it's going to be up against the wall.
If you're on trampoline, can.
Okay, buddy.
Baby.
Baby, are you done? Noxie, are you done?
I don't have my color.
You're done with...
Let me touch it.
No, it's still wet. Are you guys finished?
This is my colors. I think this is my colors.
Okay, so you want to get... You're done painting?
I want them painting on this color. And this is color.
Well, buddy, I can't. I got to stay right here. I can get you more colors. Why don't you just keep using your colors? No, don't touch me with that. You have paint on you. Do you want to be done?
No, be naughty.
No, we're not painting Noxie. Not with this paint. You guys shouldn't really be putting this paint on you. It's not super washable paint.
Yes. With Donald.
Don't touch the wall, Rhett. Do not touch the wall. We are not finger painting right now. Okay, if you touch the wall one more time, you're going to be done.
With paint?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Mama, missing orange.
Mix an orange. What colors did you make to mix orange?
With kind of yellow and pink and red.
Oh, yellow and pink and red make orange? Okay. But you just need red and yellow to make orange. The pink will just make it a light color. Oh, okay, hang on. Just sit down, buddy. Just sit down. Sit down. Sit on your bum. Where's your bum? Okay, sit on it.
And my screen is blue and that
Thank
color.
you.
And then green and blue. And let's make a color.
Hopefully we can get this paint off the wall.
And I get dark blue and green. And I get different colors.
Oh yeah? Roxy, careful, don't fall.
No.
I don't want you to fall. Scoot back.
Scoot
this way.
Yeah,
This way.
orange. I make orange. I make orange.
Okay.
Oh,
I think it's almost time to be done so that way it can dry.
I'm not done.
Me too.
Me too.
I'll make my orange color.
I'll make my own color too. Yes, I'm a orange. I have only green, and I have.
Roxy, sit down.
this- I
Roxy,
have
where's your bum?
green, and
Sit on it.
different colors.
Thank you. Good boy.
Now I have red, pink, orange. Bye-bye, yellow paint.
I got different colors now. I can get to the. Now we get different colors on there.
No, do not touch his.
Hey.
He's just doing his side. Calm down. Brett, careful.
Side.
Yeah, I don't care.